Latch Pick. Latch Pick is a parent-invented breastfeeding tool that assists with latch adjustments. Dishwasher safe, eco-friendly, and non-toxic. Adjustments can help deepen a painful shallow latch. Latch Pick was designed to replace the use of fingertips when performing latch adjustments and breaking latch. It has proven to be more effective, practical, and hygienic. To learn more about Latch Pick, go to www.latchpick.com. Not all latch challenges can be corrected using Latch Pick alone. Always seek professional support in breastfeeding education.